house at Newquay Zoo replicates the temperate forest biomes of the world with its own mini waterfall and thick canopies. It is home to over 20 species of birds, insects and a handful of mammals native to countries all over the world, from the fruit dove of the Philippines to the Brazilian tanager. They live harmoniously together, despite some of the inhabitants being territorial, like this spotted-necked pigeon. The high tree canopies are perching areas and ideal for these tropical birds, especially this imperial pied pigeon, as it rarely visits the forest floor, finding food in the trees and foliage. There are 4 endemic species which are inhabitants here, making it unique, as in the wild they can only be found in one specific place. This makes the endemic and highly endangered barley starling very special, as there are just 1,000 in captivity and just 14 found in wild reserves. Endangered animals are threatened by invasive species like this white-rumped shama. They are native to Southeast Asia, but when introduced to Taiwan, became a threat to native species as they are aggressive when nesting and very territorial. Visitors have the opportunity of getting up close to a diverse community of tropical birds, as the aviary is open with a high observation balcony. Usually timid species such as the ultramarine grosbeak and the bulbul can fly around freely in the overhead canopies and forage for seeds, fruits and invertebrates on the forest floor below without the threat of predation. Here is a pair of male and female crested wood partridges, which are terrestrial, meaning ground-dwelling. The male is distinguished by his red mohican and is often larger than the colourful female. They forage using their feet, collecting twigs and leaves to create their tunnel-like nests. Sadly, due to logging and habitat loss, they are considered near threatened on the endangerment list. The Rodriguez fruit bat is another of the tropical house's critically endangered residents, with just 1,000 remaining in the wild. Deforestation is destroying their food resources and homes, leaving them vulnerable to cyclones and island storms. But our most famous residents are the pair of sleepy two-toed sloths. These cuddly mammals live in tropical forest canopies, rarely moving as they nap for 23 hours a day, so it's rare and exciting to see them this active. They are very well adapted for life in the rainforest, as their hair is parted on their bellies, allowing water to run off as they sleep. They also have very long claws, which are great for picking fruit, leaves and twigs, but they're even better for having a good scratch. These gentle mammals spend their whole lives upside down, even mating, eating and giving birth in the trees. If they ever fall into the forest floor or into rivers and streams, they simply swim and climb back up to the safety of the canopy, where they'll probably go back to sleep. So come down to Newquay Zoo to meet our members in the tropical house, with species from over 30 countries all under one roof.